wild raspberries, and hopefully wild blackberries. Together they can create a type of cocktail. You see, that's what I'm thinking about. A nice fruit salad that's all wild. That would be interesting, you know, all these type of fruits together. I've never actually done that, put all these wild fruits together. Here are another few. Here's some larger ones. Wild strawberries. So they cover this region, all of this. Hi again everyone, Oy'Nissh. Welcome to another Oy'Nissh vlog. In this video I'll be foraging for wild strawberries. Now I cannot guarantee that I'll get many, so I don't know if I should use the term foraging or try to discover if I can find wild strawberries. There might not be plenty either, but in the Little France Park area, in the Greater Craigmillar Park region, I've spotted some wild strawberries, and they're very small, very small. You take entire day to forage for them. So I'm a bit skeptical about using the term foraging, but I'd like to show you what it looks like. And if possible, if I can get some, that is, I'll do forage for some. So here is the area that's notable for wild strawberries. Look how cute that is. Isn't it beautiful? Look at that. Yeah, here's a nice size of the one. They're very small though, very small, and they are so close to the ground. It's unbelievable. They almost look like raspberry from one point of view. But all this region is covered with them. It's the little red dots that you see that accounts for their presence. But as I said, they're very small, and maybe most people wouldn't see it as investment, foraging time investment, because they're so tiny. Look. But as with everything, they've got their own benefits and nutrients, I believe. Doesn't matter how small they are, collectively they all add up to something beneficial to our health and well-being. But again, if you pair that up with wild cherries and wild raspberries, and hopefully wild blackberries, together they can create a type of cocktail. You see, that's what I'm thinking about. A nice fruit salad that's all wild. That would be interesting, you know, all these type of fruits together. I've never actually done that, put all these wild fruits together. Here are another few. Here's some larger ones. Wild strawberries. So they cover this region, all of this. As I said, they're easy to spot. They're quite close to the ground and they are dotted amidst the greenery. That's how you'll identify them, because they won't be raspberries, because raspberries grow on taller plants. And you can see the shape of the actual raspberry tree, leaves rather. Let's see. You have to have some really small kids, 3-4-year-old kids or toddlers, that would be most effective for foraging things like this, because they are so, for someone like me who's very tall, I'll have to get a cushion and kneel down and forage for it, because boy, something like this can do your back in. You'd have to literally kneel down or stoop down to forage for it. And if you're tall, it would be recommended, because they're so close to the ground, you cannot get them in except you stoop down or kneel down. But to just bend over wouldn't be ideal for your back. So that's just one thought. Now let's see if there are other parts of the region that's got wild strawberries. Obviously, ultimate are the supermarket ones, which are so big and juicy and plentiful at the moment. But you won't get supermarket strawberry in the wilds, unfortunately. Can you imagine if that was the case? Gosh. Foraging for wild strawberries, I mean, the size of the supermarket ones are even closer, not these tiny ones. Can you imagine? Someone would have to plant them in the region and it would just grow each year. But I don't know. But just imagine a woodland filled with proper strawberries instead of the tiny ones. Wow. I'm just saying. Let's see if we can find some more. I'm checking. Yep. I think I've spotted one here. We've got wild raspberries. Not wild raspberries, wild strawberries. I don't know why I keep mixing them up. Wild strawberries. Let's see if we can find other ones. I'm just following along the path, see if I can trace them. Here's one. They're easy to spot, that's the good thing. You don't have to look far. Here we go. Oops. Yeah. See it? Miniature strawberry. Aye. I guess foraging for this would take a different approach. I probably have to get a cushion or something. I don't know. I'm too tall. Let's see. Let me see if I can identify some more. Oh, I've got raspberries. Yum. I was shocking because I was supposed to be looking for wild strawberries, and here I am munching away at raspberries. It does sort of prove that size matters. I was just wondering if I was discouraged by how small the wild strawberries were, that I had to encourage myself or motivate motivate myself with something of sizable portion. Cause boy, those wild strawberries would take something. Those are for toddlers to forage for. Trust me. Because they're already at that height. They don't have to do much and it's okay. 3-4-year-old, so forth. But I'm too tall. Gosh, to be hard. But they're there. Look. There's here. Another two. What should I do, people? Tell me. Because I am conflicted. I can't be bothered going so low for them. You can't win all the time, can you? They're there and I just... Maybe, I'm thinking maybe if I could just get few and throw it in the mix with cherries, raspberries, that would be a plus. No, I don't see any blackberries available at the moment, so that's that. But yes, wild strawberries. Okay, I'm trying to pluck up courage. Of this. Yeah, we've got some more here. So these are the plants. So that means should be some around. You know what? I'll have to come back for it. I'll come back for it. I'm not running away, but I'll come back. I'll go home and prepare myself mentally to come back for the wild strawberries. My mind is on it to forage at the moment. It's there and I can see them. But boy, it's going to be hard work. So my best bet is to return with another container. Oh, gosh. I should just get some now. No, I'll come back and do a proper foraging vlog for them. I know I won't get loads, but if I can get a little, that's fine. They're not plenty anyways, but there must be a way of harvesting it for someone who is tall. That's what I'm thinking about. I'm thinking about my back and the importance of ensuring that I don't damage it. So I can't just bend down and pick it like that. At least with vegetables it's easy because I can use a scissors and cut white leek and garlic, but with the wild strawberries I literally have to bend over. Alternatively, I could stoop down, which is fine, but I have to stoop on something soft, a cushion or something like that. Yeah. Thanks for watching my summer wild strawberry. Maybe at the end I should use foraging for the title. I should come up with another word because I didn't forage for any wild strawberries. I was hoping to, but at least I discovered them, so I'll have to come back and prepare myself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.